Well, g'day, Andrew Daddo is my name. I've been holding some very exciting news, actually two pieces of news. The first is the IPWEA New South Wales and ACT State Conference is on. It's a happening thing in the Hunter Valley. And the second part is I get to be your MC. So I'm thrilled. I'm going to leave the garage, going to leave the home, get out, see the great big wide world. The theme is rebuilding resilient communities. And I know you're thinking there's probably never been a better time than now for that to happen. It's the state's leading platform for public works and the engineering sector. There's going to be the speakers, so innovative speakers, technical streams. There's going to be the awards gala night as well. So that's going to be a bit of a surprise. Not now. Kate Sobrano is the singer. So you know Kate. If you're my age, you remember her from Countdown. If you're younger, you might be going, can't wait to find out who Kate Sobrano is. Trust me, she's absolutely brilliant. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. It is the key event for the public works professionals and the engineering sector, 23rd to 25th of March, 2021 at the Crown Plaza in the Hunter Valley. And a prize for the first person who can tell me, what's the problem here? Can you pick it up? Of course you can, you're engineers. Public works, you'll know exactly what the issue is. See you at the end of March.